So I'm Geoff Saxe, and on behalf of Naila Nasir and myself, who basically put this conference together, we'd like to welcome you to it. It's, as you've probably gathered, it's quite an unusual event. We've organized it to serve two principal functions. One, and first and foremost, really, is a mentoring function, so that all of you, I hope, have been in conversation, at least with several others, about your work or responding to emerging scholars' work. I think what distinguishes this particular event is that we've been able to cajole and encourage leading scholars in the field to come and interact with emerging scholars in the field. And I think the potential looks wonderful. Basically, everybody that we've invited has agreed to come. So we have a stellar group of both emerging scholars and leading scholars. We have several mentoring functions that we've planned. Later today, our emerging scholars will be leading with their leading scholar mentors to talk about their own work, and we'll have another session just like today's tomorrow to continue that conversation. We also have two poster sessions planned that will open up people's work to all of the faculty here to engage in conversation about their work. So the second function of the conference is a real focus on something that IES has sponsored, our sponsoring organization, which is links between research in mathematics education with a public policy initiative, the Common Core State Standards. And a number of the sessions today and tomorrow will engage you with those kinds of issues. So just some acknowledgments. We're funded by the Institute of Education Sciences. It's contributed most of the funds to put this together. We're grateful to them. We're also received some support from the Graduate School of Education here at Berkeley, as well as the Institute of Human Development. Angela Dos Salmas and Bona Kang have been instrumental serving as conference coordinators. You've probably had a good deal of interaction with them over email. And Kiana Ross has been instrumental in coordinating travel, and you've probably already had an interaction with her, so we're very grateful to those folks. And we know that all of you have already been interacting with one another, reading research statements, sending research statements, preparing posters. So it's really you that are putting this, in some sense, constituting this event, and we're grateful to you. So without more ado, I'm going to introduce Evie Baldinger, who is going to in turn introduce Alan Schoenfeld.